Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to make your first character bigger in Adobe on your text holders in Adobe InDesign. We are going to do what we call a drop cap. So basically we want first to create a text box. Now I'm going to create a text box and I'm going to fill it with a placeholder text. So I'm going to click on fill with placeholder text, and now I need to go to the properties settings or menu after going to your placeholder text or text box, and we want the paragraph sections. Basically, if you do not have like properties or paragraph sections, you can have it isolated and by going to window menu and search for type in tables and choose paragraph, and here you will have the same options. So let's just stay in the properties, and now we want our settings. We want to have these 3 points activated so we can see these options, and make sure that you are selecting your text box. So there is a setting or an option that is called drop cap number of lines. So basically the drop cap is the first character that we want to be capital letter or bigger. So basically you will need to increase this number, and you will have the first character that will increase and become bigger here in the lines. Also, you can just have regular one if you don't have to break lines or to get very bigger. You can just select your letter and give it the size that you want. So basically it can just stay like that and have your capital letter that is or first letter that will be big, even if it wasn't like a capital letter. So basically this is how you can do it in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.